In this video, I'm just gonna show you why posting more content does not help rankings. Now, let's just say you might be using AI SEO Writer like Arvo, or you might be using ChatGPT or Google AI, Gemini, using to write your articles. But why is it not improving your rankings, and how to fix it? Now, let's just say you're using Arvo. Now, here you need to keep in mind that whenever you use Gemini AI to write, so let's just say, one second, let me just take and explain to you. So let's just say you use AI to write an article. Now, if I compare the human write and AI write, so this is an AI and this is a human, so I'm just gonna write H. There'll be internal linkings we do, and using AI, it doesn't internal link that good, and then we do external links, and AI does not do external links. And then we also write conclusion, FAQs, etc. And then for AI, you have to specifically mention to write FAQ, and then while reading, it will be personalized and example. We use a lot of experience and examples and personalize, but AI doesn't do. Now, in order to eliminate all this, some tools offer you, but I don't know about other tools, but Arvo specifically has a section called internal linking, where you just include your sitemap and it will automatically internal link in the blog article while writing. And also external links, you can turn on automatic external links for scraping the internet for relevant articles in your niche and language. And not only internal linking and external linking affect the ranking of the article, but also SEO score and domain authority, because the more relevant links you get, the good score you're going to get. So fix that.